Hi, Kiran. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Hridayan. Hello, everyone. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So let's get it started.
Yeah,
So yesterday, we were doing this lab number 9, right?
yeah, lab number 9.
So enroll HDFC, we did. Now let's move to register HDFC. Correct?
Yeah, HDFC admin we did with that.
So we did admin. Now let's do for user. Okay. Perfect. So let me open this. Okay. I might log off and then log in. Okay. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So here I'm having this STFC app, and yesterday we had gone through with the enroll HDFC admin. Okay, and we have enroll our user also. Oh, sorry, our admin also. So now what I'm going to do is, so next is I'm going to create another file that is register as HDFC user. Okay. So let's create a new file that is register HDFC user.
Recording in progress.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, we can hear you. Sure. Okay, so here, Kiran, there is echo coming from your side.
Yeah, disconnected.
Okay, fine. So yeah, what I was saying is, so these are the imports which we have to do. These are the same import which we were doing in the register SDFC admin also, right? So you can just just copy paste this from the admin, okay, or else I just open the code share also.
Yeah,
So create a new file, new JS file, and in that file you can just type this line of code. So basically we are just doing the import here for the other functions which are written in CA utils, app utils. Also we are doing the we are using wallet and Fabric CA services, so that we are just importing from the packages. Okay. After that, the function, right? So my function is register SDFC user. So in my function, what I'm going to do is here we are having two things. Okay, in admin, if you see in admin, I was not having any arguments. Can you see any argument here? No, right?
Mhm.
It will just give you the success or a message. That's it. Now here I am giving two parameters. One parameter is user ID. Second parameter affiliation. Okay, so there is a new concept of affiliation. Okay, so why we use affiliation and how to use that. So affiliation you must have seen in the Fabric CA, right? So in
Mhm.
Fabric CA also, when we were having the Fabric CA session, right? So that time we were creating some new affiliations also. So affiliations are nothing but if you want to segregate your user based on department, based on your special user roles, then you can use affiliations. Okay, so that is why we use affiliations. So whenever you try to end user, okay, so that time you have to give affiliation also, like a, if you are affiliation in your system, so that affiliation uh, you have to do, or you have to pass as a user argument, right? And the second one is the user ID. So user ID is the one, like if you want to give a specific or a unique user ID, you should give. Okay, so these two things you have to pass as a part of function argument. After that, it will come here. Then it will just get these three things: CCP from build CCP HDFC, CA client from build CA client, and wallet from build wallet, right? So total, you will have three variables here, right? And after that, I will call register and enroll user, right? So register and enroll user, this is the another function which will give, or which will register and enroll my user. So here it will require 5 arguments. So it will require CA client, which is already there, wallet, MSP org1. So MSP org1 is my SDFC Life MSP. Then user ID will I will pass as the argument, and affiliation. Correct. After that, so this register and enroll user. So register and enroll user, it is available in cautils.js, right? So let's open our cautils.js. So here, this is my CA utils. So in CA utils, I'm having this register and enroll user, right?
Okay.
So here, what is happening? Same like 5 arguments we will receive here. Once we receive 5 arguments, we will just try to uh, assign the user ID and password based on your MSP or based on your organization. After that, we will check whether this particular user is already enrolled or not. If it is already enrolled, we'll give a message like this particular user has been already enrolled, right? After that, here, so we need an admin to register a user. Okay, admin identity is must. Without admin identity, we cannot register a new user. Okay, so and just before that, this activity, we enroll a admin, right? So we will fetch the admin identity from the wallet folder, or from the wallet which we are having in our system. So for that, what we are going to do is we'll put the command, we'll put the function wallet.get, and I will pass the admin user ID. So user ID was admin. So here you can see admin, right? After that, I will get all the identity in admin identity. If in case I'm not having the identity, or I am not having the admin identity, then it will say an identity for the admin user does not exist in the wallet. Enroll the admin user before retrying. Okay, so the reason is we have to have the admin identity to do or to register any normal user. Okay. After that, once I get the identity here in the admin identity, I will fetch two things. First one is provider. Okay, so provider will I will get from wallet.get provider registry and get provider, and I will pass the identity type. Then admin user. Okay, so admin user will have the complete identity. After that, this admin user I will pass at the time of registration. So here I will generate a secret. So in the enrollment, the secret was already there. If you see in the enroll admin, sorry, here, right? So here we haven't generated any secret. So secret was already secret meaning a password. Okay. So secret was already there. We haven't like generated any new secret, but here we are going to generate a new secret with the help of these arguments. So basically what we are going to do is we'll pass affiliation, enrollment ID, role along with admin user. So that what will happen is a unique secret will come out, right? Once I get the unique secret, then I will send request for enrollment. So you can see the first process is registration, right? Second process is enrollment. Okay, so this is the required one before enrollment. So registration it will always come first. After that, you can enroll the user. Once you enroll the user, you will get this enrollment. After that, you can create the identity. So identity will have your credentials. In the credentials, you will have certificate and private key, MSP ID, type. So these details will be there in the X509 identity variable. Once I get this, I can just store this in the wallet. All right.
Okay.
So let's just have this function. Okay, let me first give you okay, first try to copy this function.
So this is registered user.
Correct. And after this, in the CA utils, just put this function. Okay. Now in the register SDFC user, you have to make one change. Instead of module export, you can just uncomment this one. Register SDFC user. Kelvin SDFC live dot department one.
Okay.
Okay. So once you uncomment this and comment the model.export, let's save this file. And here actually my network is down right now. So let me just start my network first. So After that, I will create a channel. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I just go to my SDFC Live, and I will first enroll my admin. So I will run this. Node command is not found. Strange. Give me a moment. Actually, yesterday my system was reset.
Oh, okay.
So I just deleted everything because it was getting slow. Okay, anyway, I think you guys can run this, right?
I'm just trying that.
Okay. Okay, so now you can see my admin has been successfully enrolled. Okay, so I just keep one command. Right. After that, I will going to register the user. So you can see successfully registered and enroll user Kelvin and import it into the wallet and open the wallet here. So this is the wallet and you can see admin.id and kelvin.id. If you again open this, so it will show you like your certificate, then it will show you your private key, MSP ID and virtual, correct? Just try to register user also. One thing very important here is so in with the time of enrolling, right, we are giving two things, Kelvin as a user ID and SDFC dot department one as a affiliation, correct? So where you will find this affiliation? So you will find this affiliation, if you guys remember, we did some changes in the peer or sorry, Fabric CA, then SDFC live here in the CA server config.yaml, correct? If you search for affiliation here, like this, okay? So before starting your network, whatever affiliation you write here, those affiliations will be will register with your Fabric CA, and then later on you can use those affiliations.
Okay.
Okay, and these will be independent for your organization. So this configuration file is for your SDFC. Same configuration file will be there for your SBI also. So from here you can just use this.
So
If you
can
give
just treat it as a department or roles as well.
anything, let's say operator
Mhm.
or any role, basically. Okay. And if you go and give outside of this, then it will give you error. So let's say if I pass operator here, so it will give me error. Okay, because operator is not available right now, or any other thing like department 4, 5, 6, anything, right? So this is how it works. Now next thing is let's create the very first function, that is register account.js. Okay, so in the register account.js, let me close this out, everything, and here my register account.js. So create a new file inside app folder, name it to register account.js. Okay, and here I will share into code share. So should I delete this one?
Yeah.
Now first thing is we have to import something. So these are the things which we have to import. What kind of imports we are doing here? So we are doing the same kind of import here. Okay, so first import is wallet and gateway. So now here the gateway is new things, right? So what is this gateway? So basically till this point, registering an admin, enrolling an admin and registering a user, we were not connecting to a Fabric network, or another way I will say I will not connect it to any peer, correct? You are just interacting with the Fabric CA or your CA for a particular organization, and we were getting the certificates, right? But this time we are going to connect we are going to connect with the network. So when we need to connect with the network, we have to create a secured connection, just like a database connection. Okay, but here, since it is a distributed network, we have to create very secured connection. So gateway is the package or is the method which is provided by Fabric Network SDK, which will help us to connect our network on a secured connection or on a secured way, right? So that is why I'm just importing the gateway also. Later on, I will create a new gateway with the help of this. Other than that, everything is fine. Fabric CA services, build CA client, build HDFC, build wallet, everything is fine. New thing is build, channel name and chain code name, right? So you might have multiple chain codes, multiple channels, but we have to define which channel I am going to call, which chain code I am going to call. Okay, so that we have to give MSP ID from SDFC Life MSP, then wallet path. Like, of course, for the authentication purpose, whenever I will send this transaction, it will ask for the ID. So ID I will get from the wallet. So that's why I'm giving wallet path here. After that, this is just a JSON stringify that you can just write a function. This function, if you guys remember, we have written in a app util.js, right? After that, the function registered user account. So registered user account will have two arguments, user ID and name, right? So user ID is the ID which just now we have registered, and this user ID we are going to use for authentication purpose. Okay. So as you know, like if you want to interact with the network, you will have to have a valid ID. So that can be used as the user ID here. So Calvin is the one. The name is now in your register account, right? In the chain code. So your chain code requires one argument, that is name. That's why I'm passing a name from here. So basically, when I pass the name, one account will be created on the ledger. Also, one user will be created. Till this point, when I was enrolling and registering the user, that is just the Fabric CA user. Okay. And it is just for authentication. But now actually I'm going to write data to the ledger. Okay.
Yeah.
So here just three things: CCP, CA client, wallet. After that, here new gateway I'm creating. Okay. So with the help of a constructor, I'm creating a new gateway. After that, I just remove this console. After that, once after creation of the gateway, we'll connect that gateway to the network. So to connect the gateway, what I'm going to use CCP. So CCP will have all my connection profiles, all the connection details. Then wallet meaning your certificate or your ID. Identity, from the wallet, I will use user ID as an identity. Then discovery service. So discovery service is very important. Okay. So if you are running all your peers or all your organization in a same machine, just like we are running in a same machine, so we'll give as localhost as a true. If you are running in the different machine, okay, let's say your peer 1 is running on server 1, peer 2 is running on server 2, order is also running on another server. So that in that case, you will give as false because you are not running as localhost. Okay. After that, we are going to build a network instance. Okay. So network variable is there, and I will pass the channel name. So with that, I will get the complete network detail. Once I get the network detail, I will extract the contract information from it. Okay. So to get the contract information, I just pass the chain code name. So from chain code name, I will get the contract. Right. After that, this is very important. Line number 76. Here, this is the function which is calling the chain code. So contract dot submit transaction. Submit transaction. There are three types of transactions. Okay, three types of function which can interact with your chain code. First one is submit transaction. Second one is evaluate transaction. Third one is delete transaction. Submit transaction we are going to use when you want to write data to the ledger. Okay, write data to the ledger. Evaluate transaction we are going to use when we read data from the ledger, right, or from the world state. Delete transaction we use when you want to delete something from the world state. Okay, so here I'm
not from the ledger. It will not be possible from the ledger.
From blockchain it will not be deleted.
Yeah.
Only from world state it will be deleted.
Okay.
Yeah. So in this case I'm using submit transaction. Okay, and then I will pass the function name. So my function name is register account, and register account will require a argument that is name. How you will be verifying that? Open your chain code. The chain code is here in the contract, insurance contract. So here if you come, so this is my registered account and it is expecting one name string here.
Yes.
Right. So we have to pass that from here. Once it is done, you will get the response back in the result. Okay, you can just convert it to toString and then return it to calling function. Simple. All right. So from here, I am going to call this function. So let me just comment this, and I will uncomment this and save this file. But before this, I have to install chain code also, right? So let me install chain code first. So I just go to my INS network and install chain code.
It's giving me one error.
What is that?
Actually, I'm not sure why, but it is now showing that Go executable file not found in path.
Okay, so do one thing. Just try to run this.
But Go is installed, I guess, right?
Hi, it is installed, but sometimes what happens is your profile is not synced.
Okay.
That is also one reason. Sometimes it gives error.
So we'll have to refresh that profile.
Yes.
Okay. That will have to be run outside INS network, right? For that it's showing I'm into insurance underscore application folder now.
Hmm.
That it is showing that no such file or directory. So should
No,
I need to go to
no, it should not actually. You can run from anywhere. Or do one thing, open a new terminal.
okay. Even with new terminal also getting same error.
Mm,
Shall I share my screen?
yeah, sure, sure.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
So I just tried that in a completely new terminal. Nothing is there.
1 minute. Oh, okay. Bash is not there.
Yeah, that's weird. Because yesterday when I deployed chain code, it worked. And I did
Mm,
some practice work. I'm not sure what exactly what I did, but today that deployment is not happening.
okay.
And this is a generic command, right? Nothing to do with the Hyperledger.
Mhm. Can you go to the go again to the so I think if it is not there, you will have to create one, but there is no use to create one actually.
Mhm.
Where is the another error?
While deploying the chain code, right?
uh, okay, can you do it on the main terminal?
Main terminal. Okay. I'm trying that. So first of all, I will have to go to that path.
Yeah.
Inside INS, right?
Hmm.
Inside app.
Yeah.
SDK. I think I will have to run all those commands again.
Yeah.
Should I do network down first?
No need. Only chain code deployment. That's it.
So this is the error.
Okay, so your Go is creating problem.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
path is having issue actually.
Can you set the Golang path again?
Let me just
Just type this this error from exec to till path in the Google. You will get one answer.
okay.
Yeah.
This one. What happened? Golang exec. So obviously this path will not work.
Hmm.
This one.
I think you will have this not bash src, but you will have profile. So can you source your profile once? Go to terminal where you are running this source and profile, right? Not this one, not this one. Another one.
This one.
Bash. So I think in the Linux, its name would be dot profile.
Not bash profile.
Hmm. Hmm.
Should I try that now?
Same command you can run in the other terminal also.
Terminal window.
Hmm.
What's that? Dot profile.
Hmm. This is very strange actually.
Hmm.
Sometimes it happens like your system is getting reset.
Yeah, actually, what I did, I was just trying out all those labs from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure what happened then after. I didn't completed that. I think I got to reached up to lab 3,
Okay.
but I was doing redoing the thing, all the things that we have learned so far. Maybe due to that only some of the conflicts might have happened. Not
No,
sure.
no. Only thing is like if you may modify something um, like in your profile only.
Profile only. Okay.
Mm. Because Fabric doesn't have any problem with this profile and all.
Mm-hmm.
So
Let me just try to redo these all things again, maybe.
so just try to reinstall this Go. I think the problem will go.
Okay. Maybe I will check that. That might have the
Yeah.
could be the reason of this issue maybe.
Yeah.
After reinstalling Go, this path might get set again, and then I can try
Maybe
Yes.
the
this
chain code deployment.
Yeah. Harshal is suggesting something.
maybe this command will work. I have sent it in chat.
In Zoom chat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can see it.
Zoom chat.
Actually, I have logged into Zoom from my Windows and I have running this on VM. So I have to copy and paste all those commands to Flock first. Oh gosh, it's just this one. Yeah, I think it identified this time, right? Org1.
Okay, so for this, you will have to do one thing. Open your network.sh file. Okay. Okay, fine. So no, not network.sh. Open the deploy CC.
Okay.
Deploy cc.sh. So here, hold on. Line number 141, 142. Instead of org1 MSP, just write your MSP.
Just finding the occurrences.
Only these 8 places. See, org1 is 4 places, org2 is at 4 places. Save it. So now again, if you just redeploy your chaincode, it will work. But you have to redeploy with the new version because your version 1.0 is already there, right? So type space
Here.
hyphen ccv space 2 hyphen ccs space 2. Enter. So once it is installed, just try to run the file node app register account.js and create a new user.
Yes.
Okay. So that will be the next.
Yeah, I will check for that further part for creating user.
Okay.
Yep.
So for others also, this is the next thing which you will have to do. Now, as an activity or as a assignment, you can if you can write this other functions. Okay, register plan, read user policy, register user account, link policy to plan, link plan to account, and get functions. Okay,
Okay.
so one update I have is next week, most probably only for 2 or 3 days I will be available.
Okay.
So I'm traveling to my hometown this weekend.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, maybe Monday and Tuesday completely I won't be available. I won't be available. Wednesday I will check and let you know, guys.
Okay.
But yeah, so just try to complete these 3. Tomorrow I will try to complete the API things. Okay, how you can call these functions from an API. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So that with that all things will be done. Okay, so you can now create an end-to-end application with that.
Okay. And just as a reference, well, would it be possible for you to share your insurance application version as well with us? Just to
I will
check the references.
I will upload the complete the
Zip or
final
something.
final version.
Okay.
And
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for that.
Okay. Fine then. So we'll meet tomorrow.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks
Yeah,
for that.
thank you.
Bye.
Bye.